Hi, welcome to First Inventions. Without further ado, let's jump into today's interesting topic. As we know, in today's digital age, business, academic, and formal documents, personal messaging, typing has become the dominant method for producing text in most professional and academic settings. The typing feature to produce text is present in many computing devices like mobile phone, laptop, desktop, biotechnological instruments, hence it has vast functionality worldwide, while writing by hand remains valued for its personal and artistic qualities. Do you know the history of typing machine or typewriter? Today's our discussion is all about the first typewriter ever made. Let's go and watch the complete video. The first typewriter was a revolutionary invention that marked a significant milestone in the history of writing, and it revolutionized written communication. It greatly improved the speed and legibility of written documents, making it easier to produce documents, letters, and reports with a professional appearance. The first prototype of the typewriter was invented in 1868 by Christopher Latham Sholes, an American newspaper editor and printer. Sholes, along with his colleagues Samuel Soule and Carlos Glidden, but it underwent several refinements before becoming a practical writing machine. The first commercially successful typewriter was patented in 1874 and known as the Sholes and Glidden typewriter, also referred to as the Remington No. 1. E. Remington & Sons, a prominent firearms and sewing machine manufacturer, was the first company to mass-produce the Sholes and Glidden typewriter. This marked the beginning of the typewriter industry. It featured the QWERTY keyboard layout, which is still in use today on most keyboards. This layout was designed to prevent jamming of early mechanical typewriters, as the most commonly used letters were spaced apart to reduce the likelihood of type bars colliding. The early typewriters were mechanical devices. Users would press keys on the keyboard, and this would cause type bars with raised characters to strike an inked ribbon, transferring the character onto paper. Each key was associated with a specific character. Over the years, typewriters underwent numerous improvements, including the development of electric typewriters in the early 20th century and, eventually, computer keyboards in the digital age. Although typewriters have become largely obsolete in the digital era, they remain iconic symbols of bygone eras, and some people still collect and use them for their nostalgic and aesthetic value. Before we go, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for your support. None of this would be possible without you, our fantastic First Inventions community. Together, we're making memories and learning new things every day. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more exciting content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss an update from us.